Hello, thanks for coming. I am in the process of continuing to test RAM chips in this original Chiclet PET. So far, I believe I have found two bad ones. I have been testing the RAM that is already out of the machine. Careful to remember where I took it out. So I have 5 more chips. In total, there are 18 RAM chips in such a machine as the regular RAM and the screen RAM. There are 18. So I already have 2 that are, I believe, defective. And little by little, I seem to be having more trouble. What is going on here? More trouble getting chips in and out of this socket. I wonder, are there socket issues? I don't know. Well, you know what? It's in, but it doesn't feel right. Hang on, I'm going to turn it on, but something is not. No. Something is not right here. I wonder if the socket is getting tired. Let me try and get a good look in there. And I have dropped the screwdriver. I think what we have here is a case of one of the pins on this socket. Getting upset. I think. I cannot see as well as I would like to see in there. So I know this isn't a really good position, but I've just got to shift it a little bit more. It is always hard to look in here. All right. Hello, Andrew. I am recording. I'm going to take this one out. This is the modern replacement. And, just a moment, I'm just going to try to put the modern replacement with the better pins into the socket that I was having the difficulty with. And it is in. At least I think it's in. It feels like it's in. Let me try now. To put the RAM chip that I was wishing to test into the socket that is right next to the socket. Okay, we're in. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Okay. That is different. It's now got a bunch of pi signs, more so than normal, for the bytes free. Let me try that again. But now it says 1023 bytes free. Oh, nothing like things being the same, but not the same. Mind you, keeping in mind, it may be that there is a RAM problem down here. Alright, tentatively speaking, I'm going to assume, perhaps wrongly, that that RAM chip is okay. I'm going to put it back in its position, and I wish I could find a good spot for this. Oh, that looks pretty fine. I'm going to try to continue. I may have to switch the configuration of this machine so I can get at it better. I might. Okay, hang on. You know what? I think I need to turn things. So, thank you for being here. I will continue, but I think I got to turn this sideways so I can get at this better. Bye for now.